Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial we're going to I'm going to teach you how we are going to delete our post after creating it. I remember on the last tutorial where we talked about updating the post, and we also talked about creating the post. So here we're going to see how we'll be able to delete a post that a user created. So a user, after creating the post, a user should be able to delete them. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this. So we're going to start by opening our service, which is the post service. So here we're going to create another method which should be delete post, and it's going to accept posts that need to be deleted. And again we do the same thing here. So check if this actually belongs to this user before deleting it. Remember, user cannot delete a post that does not belong to him or her, so we have to do this check. So here we're going to after that we're going to delete the post. I think that's it. Yeah. Then we're going to return true. Post was deleted. Let's just return the post, because if the post is deleted, by default Laravel is going to return true. So if it's not deleted, it's going to return no. So I think that's just it. So let's head over to our controller. I think we repeated this. Should we just create a method that handles the authorization check of the post? So let's create a method again. That can do this post authorization check. I'm just going to accept posts. So let's put this here. So let's call the method here, this dot post authorization check, and pass in the post that needs to be checked. Okay, the same thing here. We're going to do that here. Yeah, I think this makes the code shorter and easy to read. So that's it on this. So let's open our controller and see how create another method to delete the post, and we're going to call it delete, and it's going to accept the post model that needs to be deleted, and everything is going to also be on the try catch block, and we are going to still return the same error message if okay. Let's also, since we are returning the same message here, I think we should create a method here that's exception error, or call this anything that you want to call this exceptional errors. You can call it anything, and it's going to call receive the exception, and then we return this. So this is going to return this exceptional error and passing the th, which is the exceptions that needs to be returned. So let's get this across every other places that we have to return an exceptional error. So this seems to be a general stop, so that's why we create method for it. So anytime we make changes here, it will have to affect every other places, just for things to be organized and stay in uniform, so that we don't continue repeating our codes everywhere. So let's next we're going to delete the post. This, okay, let's create a variable. If we get it true, means delete post, this post, delete post, then the post that needs to be deleted. So if a post was deleted, remember the method is returning a true or null. So if a post was deleted, we're going to return a response. Or let's just return a response here if post was not deleted. So we're going to have a status of failed. Then message should be an error code while trying to delete post. Let's try again later. And you're going to have a 500 error. Then if everything is fine, you're going to return a success message, a success response, which you have a status of success, and the message of post deleted successfully. And to be 200 error, 200 status code. I think we are good, so let's head over to our route to create the endpoint. Post, I think we are still using this let's copy and paste here. So this is going to be a delete request. Every other thing, okay, the method should be delete. Save. So let's go to our postman and create another method, sorry, another request for delete in the post. So this is gonna be a delete post, and the method is going to be delete. Every other thing should be the same way it is. So let's try to delete a post that does not exist first. Post not found. So let's also try to delete a post that does not belong to user. Okay, this in the post. Sorry, we didn't change the message. You know what? We're going to pass. I'm going to pass the message here too. This can be empty. So that's, we don't have to be using the same message for everything. So you can say deleting post failed. Please try again later. Okay. You can as well pass the th. Let's do the same thing here. This should be for updating a post. Updating a post. Failed. Please try again later. And this, lastly, this should be for creating a post. Post creation. Failed. Please try again later. And that's just it. So let's try this again. Okay, deleting the post failed. Please try again later. So let's try to use a user that owns the post and see if it's going to be deleted. Sample user token unauthenticated. Or is it unauthenticated? So let's try to log in with the user again. Let's go back to our environment variable and update the first sample user token. So let's try to delete the post. Okay, post was deleted successfully, and that's it for this tutorial. Please, if you like this tutorial and you learn new things and you find it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share to your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. See you in the next video. Thank you.